Alright, just real quick, this is a brand new part that I created in Creo, which is just a rectangle at this point. But I wanted to show, you get a lot of the benefits of the new UI when so when you start adding features, you'll notice that it has new color scheme on how it highlights objects. Another thing you notice when you hit extrude, and you pick a surface, it puts you right into sketcher mode. You don't get the dialog box with picking the reference orientation, so you're able to jump in there pretty quick. Another cool thing is let's make that 60. The UI allows you to access all of the constraints directly. You don't have to wait for have some pull out menu or anything like that. If you go into the part, it converts it to a cut automatically. You can tell it don't show you this anymore. So it's smart enough to do little things like this. Again, if we were to add a round here, it's very responsive. Let's add another one there. So it's definitely fast. Let's go to the View tab and give this a more appealing color. Okay. And another thing I want to show is if you double click on a feature, you can just pull it and manipulate the rounds. You notice it'll put a little drag box right where you clicked. And if you click on the main feature, you can. So dynamic edit is kind of built into the entire system. Sorry, pulling the wrong stuff. But despite all of this great new improvements, which they are great, if you go to your model tab and under shapes, if you click on blend, now you start seeing some of the old UI. You hit protrusion and it went off the screen, but there she is, the menu manager. The menu manager is still alive, just like it used to be in 1980, and it never went away in Wildfire. So this is what frustrates me, is to see this old UI in this nice shiny new idea that PTC has, and it can be found in other areas. If you go to Tool and Model Intent and do a go to Pro Program or something, the menu manager, it can be found in different areas. A lot of the times you'll find it in a pull down menu, which yes, they're not the most commonly used features, but like Cosmetic Groove and all this stuff will pull out the menu manager. But that's not the point. The point was that we should have gotten rid of that UI by now. And I would argue that blend is a very common feature and it still has the menu manager. So again, this is definitely an exciting release. They're going in a great direction, but I just wanted to point out the frustrations with the menu manager.